Returning to addiction, a pleasure released by dopamine in the human brain that can turn into something darker and even dangerous. As usual, let's explore how online game addiction can lead to depression. Online games offer a world full of challenges, adventures, and fun. But what happens when playing games turns a hobby into an urgent need, even entering the danger zone? As explained in the previous video, addiction starts in the human brain. This relates to a molecule in the brain called dopamine. The chance to feel pleasant emotions and temporarily forget about unwanted burdens makes online games a popular escape in real life. Addiction to online games can disrupt a person's mental health. One of the biggest impacts of game addiction is social isolation. Someone who is addicted will start to withdraw from family and friends, preferring to be in the virtual world over real-life interactions. This is the beginning of feelings of loneliness and alienation. Furthermore, failure in the game, especially after putting in so much effort, can cause deep feelings of disappointment and frustration. Such losses can damage self-esteem and make a person feel worthless. Game addiction can create a vicious cycle. A person plays to feel happy, but when they fail, they feel devastated. To eliminate this bad feeling, they play again, hoping to feel better. However, this repeating cycle only worsens their mental condition. Some common symptoms of depression due to game addiction include loss of interest in previously enjoyed activities, changes in appetite, sleep disturbances, fatigue, feelings of worthlessness, difficulty concentrating, and even suicidal thoughts. Untreated depression can have serious long-term effects. It can impact work, relationships, and overall quality of life. A person suffering from depression may feel hopeless and trapped in a negative cycle. The first step to addressing this issue is recognizing the symptoms and seeking professional help. Developing healthy habits is equally important. Maintaining positive social relationships, exercising, or engaging in other positive activities can help improve mood and reduce stress. Try setting time limits for gaming and make time for other enjoyable activities. Try finding a friend to talk to, or maybe vent all your negative emotions on a piece of paper and then burn it. Look for alternative ways to calm your anxiety or frustration without hurting yourself or others. Thank you very much for following this journey into understanding addiction. We hope the information provided helps you understand the harmful effects of online addiction, including depression. If you or someone you know is experiencing this issue, please do not hesitate to seek help. Let's work together to overcome addiction and create an enjoyable gaming experience as part of self-care. Together, we can do it.